the third heart sound, which is heard during the first rapid filling phase. And if you take the characteristic features of the third heart sound, please remember, it is a low pitched sound. Because it is a low pitched sound, it is always heard with the bell of the stethoscope. And where is this best heard? This is best heard at the apex of the left ventricle. It is best heard at the apex of the left ventricle. And please remember, usually the third heart sound is not being heard because it's a low pitched sound. But what are the scenarios where you will have a physiological S3? The physiological S3, it is observed in case of athletes. Physiological S3 is observed in case of the individuals who are children, right? Children and as well as the young adults. And the physiological S3 is also observed in pregnancy. And the conditions where you will have the pathological S3. Pathological S3, it is observed in case of left ventricular failure and as well as the right ventricular failure. Okay.